Need a bigger screen for streaming, reading, or browsing? Are you on a tight budget? Well, look no further. Hey, Dwayne here, and we are back with another video. For today, we have a list of tablets under 10,000 pesos. Alright, let's dive right in. First up on the list is the itel VistaTab 10 Mini, which was launched just last month. It has a small 8-inch IPS LCD panel with a resolution of 1920 by 800. Powering it is a MediaTek MT8768 with 3GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. While it does offer 5GB of virtual memory, it does not come with expandable storage. It also has a 5MP rear camera and a 5MP shooter at the front. Battery-wise, it has a modest 5,100 mAh capacity with support for 10 watts of wired charging. This tablet ships with Android 14 Go edition and comes with an integrated learning center. This feature should be great for parents who want to provide healthy content for their kids. As far as modern pacifiers go, this tablet stands out with its pricing as the lowest on the list. The itel VistaTab Mini is priced at 4,299 pesos with a single storage configuration. The next tablet we have is from TechLife, a Realme sub-brand which is known for their budget-friendly offerings. The TechLife Pad Lite 8-inch, well, as the name suggests, has an 8-inch 90Hz IPS LCD screen with HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, it packs a Unisoc T606 along with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. It also supports storage expansion via microSD cards up to 1TB. For shooters, it has two 5MP cameras on the front and rear with an LED flash to boot. In terms of audio, it features stereo speakers with a 3.5mm audio jack should users prefer wired accessories. In addition, it packs a 6,000 mAh battery with support for 10 watts of wired charging. This tablet also comes with a nano SIM slot and supports 4G, shipping with TechLife Pad UI out of the box. The TechLife Pad Lite 8-inch is priced at 4,999 pesos and comes with a detachable kickstand. Moving on, we have an entry from a local tech brand looking to make a name for itself. The AXZY Pad has an 11-inch 60Hz IPS LCD panel with FHD resolution. The display is more than serviceable considering its price, which you can check out in our review along with the AXZY Pad Pro. Powering this device is also a Unisoc T606, which again is a capable chipset for basic tasks. It can handle Google Workspace apps like Docs, Sheets, and more. This tablet comes with 4GB of onboard RAM and 128GB of storage. It also has 4GB of virtual memory and support for expandable storage up to 1TB via a hybrid slot. That said, this tablet comes with a SIM slot which supports 4G for connectivity. In addition, it also offers stylus support via USI 2.0 with pressure sensitivity. Rounding out the specs, it packs a 8,800 mAh lithium polymer battery with support for 10 watts of wired charging. There's also an 8MP rear camera and a 5MP shooter at the front for those wondering. The AXZY Pad retails for 5,999 pesos, complete with a free Bluetooth keyboard and ships with Android 15. Be sure to check it out if you need a worthwhile tablet that can provide you with the bare minimum. Next up, we have the AXZY Pad Pro, which offers a bit more juice compared to its base model. It's better in terms of performance, responsiveness, and has more storage. This tablet sports an 11.97 2K IPS screen with a refresh rate of 60Hz. It's decent and offers a higher resolution than its little brother. Take note though, it has the same chipset and RAM specs, but as mentioned, it does offer a bit more under the performance and responsiveness department. Plus, it has 256 gigs of internal storage instead. I'm sure we all appreciate the extra space as it's also expandable by up to 1TB. This tablet also comes with stylus support and a free Bluetooth keyboard with a leather cover. It also ships with stock Android 15 out of the box. Similarly, it packs an 8,800 mAh battery that supports up to 18 watts of wired charging. In addition, it comes with a better 13MP rear camera. The AXZY Pad Pro retails for 7,999 pesos. Again, if you want to see how this device fares, please check out our review video which showcases both AXZY tablets. Now we have the REDMI Pad 2 with Wi-Fi only, which is essentially the same device we reviewed without 4G enabled. This tablet's highlights includes its reliable performance, long battery life, and loud audio output. To be specific, it has an 11-inch display with 2.5K resolution and a refresh rate of 90Hz. Users can expect a fluid screen with sharp imagery, making for a great multimedia consumption experience. This is also complemented by its 3.5mm audio jack and quad speaker setup with Dolby Atmos. At its core, the tablet runs with a Helio G100 Ultra, which enables its day-to-day performance. It's capable of handling tasks like streaming and light gaming with confidence. For optics, it has an 8MP rear shooter and a 5MP front camera. It also packs a 9000 mAh battery with support for 18 watts of wired charging. The REDMI Pad 2 with Wi-Fi only starts at 8,999 pesos with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It's also available with 6GB of RAM with 9,999 pesos instead. This device ships with Xiaomi HyperOS 2 based on Android 15. Last July, the Infinix XPAD 20 arrived in the Philippines. This tablet has an 11-inch IPS panel with FHD+ resolution and a refresh rate of 90Hz. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio G88 with up to 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of internal storage. Plus, it has a hybrid SIM slot which enables extra space and 4G connectivity. Battery-wise, this tablet has a 7,000 mAh capacity with support for 10 watts of wired charging. Other features include its 3.5mm audio jack, 8MP rear camera, and 5MP front camera. The Infinix XPAD 20 starts at 9,499 pesos with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It's also available for 9,999 pesos with its highest storage configuration. However, you could get it for as low as 6,995 pesos on Shopee at the time of recording. It ships with Android 15 and comes in 4 colorways as well. Finally, we have the itel VistaTab 30GT, which boasts a slim 7mm figure. This tablet sports an 11-inch screen with 2K resolution and a refresh rate of 90Hz. It packs a Helio G99 Ultimate with 4GB of base RAM and 128GB of storage. It also comes with 8GB of virtual memory to boot. The tablet offers keyboard and stylus support, AI learning tools, and WPS Office. Plus, it has a 7,000 mAh battery for your movie marathon night. The itel VistaTab 30GT retails for 9,999 pesos and can be found listed in the usual online stores like Lazada and Shopee. That wraps up this quarter's fairly competitive list of tablets under 10,000 pesos. We hope we've helped you find something to look into that fits your budget. That said, let us know if anything caught your eye in the comment section below. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell to get wind of our future uploads. You can also feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok, or check us out at educatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Dwayne, and I'll see you guys in the next one.